how to add all your Insta following to Threads. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and click the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let us go now and head on to Threads. And here in Threads, you will be headed to the home page where you can see all of your timeline. So go to your profile within the profile icon and you may see all the followers here. So I have no followers. So to see all of the Insta following, go to the following page and you can see here the option see all. So you can see all of the following people on Instagram, and if you tap on it, you will see all of the people that are on Instagram and also that are on Threads. So you can see that there is a follow button, so you can follow them individually or follow all. So it's up to you. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.